What's up, everybody? Happy day today. Market up or down? Market is down. So what am I looking to do? Trying to buy something. Now we're all in cash. So how do we figure out which stocks to buy? It's been a while. We don't have any existing positions, so we can't start there. So we have to go to the screener, right? Screener? Oh. Well, let's see if there's anything to go for. Even though your trading will be different, and this isn't meant to be exactly follow me or nothing like that. Hopefully you can see the method though. And you might make some changes, whatever fits your personality. But there are certain unalienable truths that just is the way the money moves. So hopefully through repetition you can learn. We got one. So the next thing we do is we're looking for a reason to not take this. Okay? Is there any reason we would not take this trade? I can't see one. That's a little high. The PE is great. That's a little high, but it's under 4, which is our cutoff. These are negative, but this is in the past. We're looking for the future. Okay? Institutions aren't in it, so this number doesn't mean anything. They're all the way out. So for whatever reason, people are getting out. They had bad earnings. The economy is getting that data right now, but it means that things should start turning up for stocks. For this particular stock, I don't know. But this is the one we're going to get. Now, hopefully this is loaded up. All right. No positions. Holy cow, look at that. We got $306, okay? So this is going to be a good, interesting analysis of how we manage money. Ideally, we would only put 1% of this money in. 1% of 300 is $3. That ain't happening, is it? First triggers the second. All right. Still not going to take 100 shares. So since we can't do 1%, we are going to do 1 share. You say, well, we got $300. Why don't we just put it in? Because you have to have cash. Cash is the grease. And that's what keeps things moving. If you don't have cash, you ain't trading. You have to get them all right or you're going to start taking losses. And I do not lose money. It does not happen. It's not allowed. So much of this is a belief after seeing long-term data. And what was the price? 95. I guess that's it. 95. Why in the hell would we buy it another dollar up? It's 11, right? Sorry, it's been a long day. Yeah, 11.95. Why in the hell? In a belief, and you get that through data and time. That's why I decided to show this every trade after work to show that it's possible, because your brain will try to keep you comfortable. And people that stay comfortable stay poor. And that's just the way it works. You have to get a little bit uncomfortable. So what's our sell price? $11.95. But this is not difficult. The hard part about it is consistency, right? The best diet is one that you stick to, right? I actually sold this in the after hours, so I'm curious how this will work. It did go way up. And I sold it in the main account. I took a few positions, so links in the description for the blog if you were interested. You want to check that out. So if we make 1% on this, we take $11.95 times 1.01, which is just 11 cents, right? Bink. There it is. So hot, huh? Now this is where I messed up getting in a hurry. Good till cancel. with extended. Now, it takes a little bit of a contrarian mindset, but I got a question for y'all to think about. Do we hope that this stock goes up or down? You may think, well, that's a stupid ass question. We want to go up. And that is wrong. We're okay if this thing goes down. We're starting a little position. Now, I can't manage this account like I manage my main account just for the fact that we have pattern day trading rules and limited money and things like that. But we're still going to be smart and go about things the right way. We know with a cost basis of $11.95, if it goes down, we have a $10 deposit every week. So every week or two, we're going to be able to keep buying more. So when it finally does sell, we make the big money. What we'd really like to see is the market go down again, put a few more things, on the scanner, and we'll buy some more stuff. Right now, we barely have any of our account in. Well, what that means is when the market goes down, we won't lose any money, right? Or very little, right? See this run up? Do you see a pattern like this on the chart anywhere in previous history? It looks just like this, right? This whole thing's in the way, but yeah, it ran up here and bumped down. Ran up here, starting to curl. We don't know what's going to happen, but this is a topping tail that broke the high. So, we have a gap down here. It's likely we're going to come down here and hit it, and then maybe break the 200. If that happens, holy cow, we really want to get our investment account going then. But there's nothing to worry about. If you looked at the market throughout the day, I'll pull up the 15-minute. It was up the whole day to the very end. And that's what got us on the scanner, right? So you thought you were missing out the whole day. So don't worry about that. The system, it will generate cash. Now, can it make you a bazillionaire? Maybe, but probably not. But it's going to give you money that you can put into investments. That doesn't come from your paycheck. Okay. It comes in here, we compound it once, and this may outperform the other, or the investment account might outperform. And you say, well, why not figure out which one does better and just do one? Because they have their own strengths, right? So they have their own role in different market environments. When the market just goes straight up, these opportunities will get really thin, very thin. We may in the future have to start doing gaps on this account, figure out how we're going to do that before work, 7 a.m. But just to give us more opportunity. But this will dry up. So look for the market. If it starts rocketing, it will start to outperform us, which is okay. But then we'll use the investment account that is just cruising. And, it's not me telling you exactly what to do. You'll figure it out on your own. But I like to use just a little bit of leverage in the investment account. And that really boosts up the cash flow. And that's what we're spending. So I'm really excited to get that account going to show y'all. I think it's been a great journey. It's been 2 months, almost 3, 2.5. And we've done really well. Cash flow. Off a free $200 from the government and $10 a week. Now, as this starts to increase, we're never going to take money out of this. Let's just go into investment. But the investment account, when it gets above $2 monthly, we will start taking that money out. Half of it, 50%. So it has a little money to grow and cover the taxes. And we get to live. People get so trained into the 401k and investment accounts and things like that, did they forget that they have to live now? It's not this or that. The limiting mindset. It was the way I was raised, and I was trained into it by school and other things, but it's not. And it took me a long time to really figure it out, and it really only woke up about a couple of years ago. But the world is bountiful. You can have all of it, and you have to find your big why. And mine's helping folks out. So hopefully, I'm doing a little bit of that through this account and the charitable things that I'll be doing in the future and currently do. So just try to leave the world a better place and live a good life. So that's the goal for me. You'll have to figure out your own why. But I hope this is helpful. Hopefully we get bought and sold. Who knows? It'd be kind of crazy overnight. We got a few hours in the after hours. But if not, it's okay. We have cash. And for the first time ever in this account, and mind you, it's only been 2 months. People think, wow, it's going to take so long to ever get to anything. No, it's only been 2 months. It's small bites, but it's only been 2 months. Looks like 20 transactions, 19, right? We got 6 deadlines to 25 in 2 months, just after hours. So hopefully I can help show some of you who are curious and are on the fence. It is possible, and you can do it, and it's not that freaking hard. You see the videos, they're 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you can really change your life. So it has changed my life. I think it can help you, but it's kind of in your hands at that point. Have an awesome evening. It's been great chatting with you, and we'll see you tomorrow.